Hisense TV App Remote. The Hisense TV App Remote allows users to control their Hisense smart TVs using a mobile device instead of a traditional remote. This app provides enhanced functionality, including voice commands, a touchpad for navigation, and quick access to installed apps. Depending on the TV model and operating system, Hisense TVs support different remote control apps, such as the Hisense Remote Now app, Google TV app, or Roku app. Using a smartphone as a remote makes navigation more convenient, especially when the physical remote is lost or not working. 1. Features of the Hisense TV app. Remote. The Hisense TV App Remote offers various features beyond basic remote control functions. Users can change channels, adjust volume, and navigate menus using a touch interface. Some versions of the app also support voice commands, allowing users to search for content or control TV settings hands-free. Additionally, the app provides a quick access menu to launch installed apps without navigating through the TV's interface. 2. How to set up the Hisense TV App Remote. Step 1. Ensure the Hisense TV and mobile device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Download the appropriate remote control app from the App Store or Google Play Store, such as Hisense Remote Now, Google TV, or Roku app. Step 3. Open the app and allow it to search for nearby Hisense TVs. Step 4. Select the TV from the list and follow any on-screen instructions to complete the pairing process. Step 5. Once connected, use the app to control the TV as a remote. Third, compatibility of the Hisense TV App Remote. Not all Hisense TVs support the same remote control app, so users need to check compatibility before downloading. Hisense TVs with the VIDAA operating system work with the Hisense Remote Now app, while Android TV and Google TV models use the Google TV app. Roku-powered Hisense TVs require the Roku app for remote functionality. Compatibility information can usually be found in the TV settings or product manual. Fourth, advantages of using a mobile remote app. Using a smartphone as a TV remote offers several advantages, including improved navigation and additional features like voice control. The app remote eliminates the need for batteries and can be more convenient for searching content using a phone's keyboard. It is also a useful backup option when the physical remote is misplaced or not functioning properly. The Hisense TV app. Remote provides a smart and convenient way to control Hisense TVs using a mobile device. With features like voice commands, app shortcuts, and touch-based navigation, it enhances the TV watching experience. Ensuring compatibility and a stable network connection will help users get the most out of the app.